In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a sales page in System.io. Start by logging into your System.io dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look at the top navigation menu and click on Funnels under the Site section. This is where you can create and manage the pages and steps that make up your funnel. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create. This will open the setup area for a new funnel. Here, give your funnel a name that makes it easy to recognize later. Then choose the goal that best fits what you want to do. You can select Build an Audience if your focus is lead generation, or Sell if you are creating a funnel for a product or offer. After that, choose the currency you want to use and click Save. Once the funnel has been created, click on the name of your new funnel to open it. Inside the funnel view, go to the left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom. Click Add Step to create a new page within this funnel. Now enter a name for this step so it is clear and organized. For the step type, select Sales Page. This is the option designed for presenting your offer and guiding visitors toward taking action. After that, you will be taken to the template library, where you can browse different page designs. Choose the template that best matches the style and structure you want, then click Select. With your template in place, click the Edit Page icon on the right side. It looks like a magic wand and it will open the drag and drop page builder. This is where you can customize the page to fit your brand and message. You can adjust the layout, update the text, and change the page elements based on what you want your visitors to see. Take your time here and make sure everything looks clear, professional, and aligned with your offer. When you are done editing, click Save Changes in the top right corner so your work is not lost. This is an important final step before leaving the editor. After saving, click the Exit arrow icon to return to your funnel dashboard. At that point, your sales page has been created and added to your funnel inside System.io. That covers everything you need to know.